Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyet Conference has thanked Pakistan Prime Minister for his all-out efforts to highlight the Kashmir dispute on international forums. APHC Working Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a greeting message from Srinagar, said the people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, the base camp of Kashmir Freedom Movement, have offered their full support to Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf for pleading the Kashmir cause in an effective manner. He urged Imran Khan to launch a peace offensive on world diplomatic front against Indian barbarism and colonialism being advanced through its 1 million occupation troops in Kashmir. He said the freedom-loving Kashmiri people have always pinned high hopes in the sincere support of the people and government of Pakistan. Indian troops launched a cordon and search operation in Nadirgund Pir Bagh area of Srinagar today. They sealed all entry and exit points and conducted house-to-house searches in the area. The occupational forces continued their search operations in the areas of Kupwara, Bandipora, Baramulla, Ganderbal, Kolgam and Shopian districts. Army and large number of personnel associated with other forces have launched the operation in these areas 4 days ago, wherein 3 youth have been killed so far. Indian police, in yet another operation, arrested a youth, Sohail Ahmed, in Avantipora area of Pulwama district. Meanwhile, Indian Army and police came under a grenade attack in Dursu-Rafiabad area of Sopore today. The forces retaliated with indiscriminate firing. However, no loss of life or injury was reported. The family members of a youth, Imran Dar, recently martyred by Indian troops, have rejected police's claim, saying that he was a civilian and was extrajudicially killed by Indian troops during a search operation in Munad area of Kolgam district on Sunday. An analytical report released by Kashmir Media Service said the Financial Action Task Force is being used as a diplomatic and geopolitical tool to coerce the countries to toe the lines of big powers and their favored states. It said that the New Delhi's recent admission that it ensured Islamabad remained on FATF grey list has proved that the watchdog has shown favoritism towards India. By using global forums like FATF for its petty political designs against Pakistan, the report warned India is further undermining its credibility. At least 6 persons have died while 19 others are missing after cloud burst hit Honjar Dachan area of Kashtawar district, sweeping away 6 houses and a ration depot. Cloud bursts also occurred at several areas of Kargil district, causing damage to a mini hydropower project, some residential houses and agricultural land. 8 houses were gutted in a devastating fire incident in Nurbagh area of Srinagar. In a bid to cripple the Kashmiri people economically, unknown people believed to be backed by Indian Army have started chopping down apple trees in Kupwara district. In one such latest incident, an orchard belonging to one Muhammad Rafiq Sheikh was found axed in Sogam area early this morning today. Speakers, including Pakistan's Deputy Ambassador Sada Khan, while addressing the first Kashmir conference organized by the Pakistani community in Berlin, vowed to continue protests till Kashmir's freedom from Indian illegal occupation. A group of 56 members of Indian Parliament have called upon the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah to initiate a high-level inquiry against the criminals behind the Suli Deals, an app that was created on GitHub targeting Muslim women by putting them on fake online auction to be sold to Hindu men. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadaye, Hurriyet, Jammu, Kashmir.